friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking ring bologna in the air fryer. So here's ring bologna. See how it's shaped like the sausage? So that's the difference between ring bologna and regular bologna, because regular it's those pre-sliced wide big round pieces, and ring bologna it's shaped like a ring. An air fryer is a perfect tool for cooking ring bologna. So what I need to do is just open up the package. And I'm going to cut off those ends that are tied. And I'm going to slice it into pieces. And now the ring bologna slices are ready to be air fried. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'll put bologna slices in the air fryer. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at this ring bologna. It looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Looks so good. Let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. So excited about trying it. Let's try it. It's so delicious, so juicy and moist, so flavorful. Air fryer really brings out the best flavor in this bologna. It's when it's air fried, it's so much tastier than just cold straight from a package. This is so good. You can serve them as appetizers with little skewer sticks, or you can serve it as a main dish over rice, potatoes, with pasta. There's just so many ways to eat it, and it's so simple, it's so delicious, and you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!